Choosing the right drone can completely change the way you capture your world. From cinematic 4K footage to immersive FPV flight, today's modern drones are smarter, lighter, and more powerful than ever. Whether you're a beginner, a traveler, or a pro creator, the perfect drone is out there for you. In this video, we're checking out the top 5 best DJI drones of this year, based on camera quality, flight performance, range, and real user experience. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Neo Drone. DJI Neo, mini drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, 135 gram self-flying drone that follows you, palm takeoff, subject tracking, quick shots, stabilized video, built-in propeller guard, controller-free. Ultra-light and incredibly smart, DJI Neo is perfect for quick shots and effortless flying. With subject tracking and controller-free operation, it's built for anyone who wants cinematic moments on the go. Number 2. DJI Avata 2 Drone. DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo, FPV drones with camera for adults 4K, immersive experience, one-push acrobatics, built-in propeller guard, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, drone compliant with FAA remote ID. For thrill seekers and FPV fans, Avata 2 delivers an unmatched immersive experience. Its one-push acrobatics and wide-angle view make every flight intense, dynamic, and unforgettable. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Drone. DJI Mini 3, drones with camera for adults 4K, 38-minute flight time, up to 32,800 kilometers video transmission, true vertical shooting, GPS auto-return integrated, mini drone with camera for beginners. Mini 3 is the perfect blend of long flight time and beautiful 4K clarity. True vertical shooting makes it ideal for social media, vlogging, and travel content.
Number 4. DJI Flip RC N3 Drone. DJI Flip RC N3 drone with 4K UHD camera for adults, under 249 grams, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 44,000 feet or 13 kilometers video transmission, palm takeoff, auto return, 31-minute flight time, intelligent flight. Portable, stable, and professional, the DJI Flip gives ultra-smooth footage thanks to its 3-axis gimbal. Great for creators who want stable cinematic shots without carrying heavy gear. Number 5. DJI Mini 2 Drone. DJI Mini 2, ultralight and foldable drone quadcopter, 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera, 12 MP photo, 31 mins flight time, OcuSync 2.010K MHD video transmission, quick shots gray. The Mini 2 remains a fan favorite, simple to fly, lightweight, and reliable. A perfect starting drone for anyone wanting professional videos at a friendly price. If you want the smartest, easiest flying experience, go for the DJI Neo. For fast, immersive FPV flights, the Avata 2 is unbeatable. And for creators who want long flight time with clean 4K footage, the DJI Mini series always delivers. No matter which one you choose, each drone brings a unique flying experience and opens new ways to capture the world around you. Make sure to check for the latest deals and offers. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more drone reviews and tech videos.